Welcome back to the channel. Everyone's buying expensive clutch baskets. We're going to try this puppy. They say it's good to 200 horsepower. I'm going to check and see how much more pressure it takes to pull this in with the clutch. My bike is hydraulic. You can use it on cable or hydraulic. Let's install this. I don't have any issues with my clutch, and I don't want none. Good to 200 horsepower. Trask performance. Pressure plate comes in red, white, black, blue, yellow. We got red. Let's get started. These bolts out of here. We're going to take these out evenly. Got my 5/16. And we'll put this in evenly back together. Okay, we will torque these to 120 inch-pounds. Okay, we're good. Go ahead and reuse your seal, put it back together. Let's check and see how much poundage it pulls now on the handle. 22.